about my problem, my issue, my insecurity. It has been haunting me my whole life, and I can't live with it anymore. I'm young, and well, I am short. S-H-O-R-T. Yeah, that's it, just short. Or as the dictionary describes, of a person small in height. I measured myself, and I'm about 150 centimeters. That's 4'11", or about 1 billion times as big as a glucose molecule. Or about 9/10 as tall as a famous French leader. Hold on. The famous French leader, Napoleon Bonaparte. Anyways, this year I'm in 8th grade, and one of my major problems happens to be fundamental to my learning. I am still too short to see the board. I actually sit in the second row, but it really doesn't matter because I can't see the board literally from any angle. You place me here, I can't see. You place me there, I can't see. I cannot see the board. And it really, really sucks. I mean, by the end of the class, everyone has hundreds of pages of notes, and I'm sitting there with one. Because I have these two giant heads blocking about 99% of my view. Excuse me? Sorry. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can you just get out of the way? The fellow in the room needs to learn too. So sometimes I go down to the elementary floor to make myself feel better. I'd be the tallest kid, and whoa, wouldn't that be cool? The other day I wasn't feeling my best, so I decided to walk down the corridor. Can you imagine, with my broad shoulders pushed back, my chin out, looking myself look taller, but most importantly, showing my super smug face? Because I knew I'd be the Gulliver amongst the people of Lilliput. You know, kids would be scared of me, and I'm walking down the corridor, Rockefeller, looking down at New York City. And then out of nowhere, the Empire State Building, that third grader! He's like 2 heads taller than me. So I quickly put my shoulders back down and sent my smug face right back to my classroom. Well, there's no point going there anymore. It doesn't work anywhere at school, and it doesn't work at home either. My biggest problem is my brother. He's just a year older than me, and he is tall. And when I say tall, I mean really, really tall. The tallest guy in school. He even towers over most of the teachers. And when people meet him for the first time, they're like, and as they're looking up to see his face, they don't even notice me. Yes, me, down here, barely at his waist. They stumble over me and put on a cute face and ask, "Oh, so you brought your little brother with you. Kawaii desu ne." Seriously? And it's always like that. Kawaii. I'm insane. So last week, my friends and I went to Disney Sea. And you know what? I hated it. And you might be asking why. Disney Sea is great. It's amazing. It's fantastic. But no, not for me. And it's because by this age, I am still not allowed to go on most roller coasters. Not to mention sit next to rage experience. I hate it. So when we went there, all of my friends went and enjoyed the ride, while I sat there on the bench, eating a Mickey Mouse shake. And guess what people say when they see me there, under a pile of my friends' bags, sitting on a Donald Duck bench, eating a strawberry ice cream. Yep, you've guessed it. Kawaii desu! I always fight with my brother about who's going to wash the dishes that that day, and I always end up losing and having to dry them. The problem is, when I've dried the fancy china plates and stacked them up, I cannot reach the cupboard where they're supposed to go. I tried once, and let's just say, it didn't go so well. And I suppose I've been here only talking about the cons of being short, but I haven't told you any of the pros. The thing is, there really aren't any. There are some people who tell you it's great being short, but I really don't know why, because there's absolutely nothing at all good about it. Not at this age, not at any age. My life, in short, hurts. Well, that's a joke.